In this video, I will show you how to apply for a job at Kroger. To do this, just go and open up a new tab, and then from there you want to search for Kroger Careers. After doing that, go to the Kroger Go Careers right there. And then here you can add any filters you want, such as the job title, the city, state, or country, and anything else you want. Now you can see currently they have over 20,000 open jobs, so there should be something near you. But for example, I'm just going to select one of them, such as this one. And if you click on it, you can see the description, responsibilities, and qualifications. Now if you want to apply, just going to click on apply down here, so apply now. Then from there you can either apply using your email or phone number, so just go through the application and answer all the questions and enter your details, and then they will reach out to you. So that's how to apply for a Kroger job. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.